Controversial bill is expected to be signed today in Georgia that effectively bans most abortions within weeks of conception. It bans abortions as soon as a fetal heartbeat is detected. Now, there are some exceptions to the bill, including danger to the woman's health, as well as for victims of rape and incest, and as long as a police report has been filed in those cases. Well, State Rep Ed Stelter, who wrote the bill, and says there are other options, including adoption and the so-called morning after pill.
Let's champion life today and ensure that all Georgians, including the unborn, have the chance to live, grow, and prosper.
It's poorly worded, it's poorly written, so I don't think it'll survive any court challenges.
We can't continue to allow these white men, middle-aged men, to dictate what we are able to do with our bodies.
The ACLU is preparing a court challenge. A similar law in Iowa has already been declared unconstitutional. Meantime, the Georgia Right to Life group says it no longer supports the bill because it doesn't go far enough.